Hello, everybody. This is True Demon, the Devil's Stockbroker, and the host of Hell's Trading Floor. This video is to cover a bit of a tour of our community and talk about what benefits our supporters receive in exchange for their kind and generous donations in order to support the stuff that we do here in order to create value and educational content for members of the retail trading community who are looking to establish for themselves a new financial future and independence. What I'm going to be doing is covering the individual tiers of the trading community for supporters. There's currently traders, veterans, and professionals. Here you can see a quick breakdown of each of the benefits from each tier. Traders, of course, are our basic role for anyone who just simply wants to access the Discord and get access to some of the simple benefits that we provide, mainly from the community. Um, Traders are entitled to access almost all of the Discord and speak to any member of the Discord at any time. And that's where most of the value in our community comes from, is just the ability to go and ask experienced traders what they do for their own strategies, what stocks they're thinking about, what they're talking about, sharing due diligence and research, and finding good picks in order to make some nice profitable plays. All of our educational content, due diligence, and any number of researchers exchange ideas and just talk. On top of that, we're a very friendly community, so traders often get the most benefit just finding like minded people to discuss anything from finance to personal investments to just their own personal lives. In addition, traders get access to all of our stock, public relations, disclosures, and influencer watch lists. We track several influencers on Twitter and YouTube, as well as PR statements from companies that we follow. So anytime we see some sort of new statement from a company that we're watching, we make sure that we put up a feed on whatever their public relations page is, just looking for changes, so that anytime there's new news, the members of the Discord are able to get instantly notified in order to keep up on the latest information that influence their trades. In addition to that, we have a favorite partner of ours, Tiblio, who provides us with a bot that writes out the daily watch list. We have a premium version of Options Fanbot, which you can use to analyze any number of different options and analytical data, and also the Stockbot, which does more of the same, but covers other things like short interest analysis, float, and other simple fundamental metrics for different stocks at the push of a button. Our veteran role is our next support role, and in addition to all of the benefits that the traders receive, veterans receive exclusive access to our analyst floor. Our analysts are members who have been trusted by the community to be voted into a position of being able to analyze and contribute to the community in a more direct way by providing research and technical analysis. Some of the analysts will even post on the YouTube channel occasionally, but mainly they're trusted by both myself, the mods, and the trading community as a whole to provide good, solid due diligence, because we know that they are very diligent in their research, and their trades and their strategies have proven reliable on top of their already long, extensive experience as traders. Veterans also are entitled to track the analyst's individual watch list. Each analyst has their own personal channel, which they post new DD to or exchange ideas and post research. Further, we have a very thorough, well written out investment thesis that our analysts will provide to each veteran and professional member. So, if anybody's curious about their particular approach to trading and they want to follow a particular analyst, they're free to do so. And then finally, a added bonus to that is we also have live trading view charts, which we occasionally share publicly, but for all the trading view charts that our analysts will create on the fly and post in real time, only the veterans and professionals will be able to access those anytime a new chart is created. We'll keep a list of each of those charts as they're developed and provide that to the analyst floor for everybody to track and copy as they see fit. An additional benefit is veterans also get access to our film studio, which is kind of a behind the scenes area of the Discord where we record all of our major videos and also live streams. Veterans are entitled to be able to contribute and participate in the live streams and content creation by asking questions or just chatting with me live while we're on camera. And also during special events, we also allow the veterans to come up to speak if they wish, the same way as we would on a Twitter Space call. Of course, with this being a filmed event, we notify all of our members beforehand that we will be recording, and if they wish to participate, they're free to do so. The professionals, which is our most supportive tier, their donations have been so extremely kind and generous that we wanted to provide the most value to them as a special thanks for what they do for the community. As such, we're creating a weekly meeting that only professional members are invited to. These meetings are not typically recorded. It's just kind of personal back and forth discussion between myself, the professionals, and also the analysts. Once a month, I will set aside some time on a particular Sunday to just have a chat with all the professional members who are able to make the call, and we can talk about finance, stocks, investments, or just nothing in particular. In addition, we were creating some very powerful analytics tools in the Discord. These are soaking up a lot of time from our development team, and as such, we're providing that value directly to the professional members. Um, these include our Themis trade tracker bot, which is used to track the trades of all of the members of the Discord. This is still currently in development, but professionals will be able to perform lookups in order to track the history and performance of members of the Discord who make callouts. And professionals will also be able to record their own trades voluntarily if they wish, and um, that will enable them to make themselves eligible for promotion to analysts, and and also track their performance against the Discord, so that other members are able to see when a winning or losing trade occurs and track that history over time. The Scourge bot, which is our personal favorite, Scourge is the squeeze signal analyzer bot. This one in particular is one that myself and the development team have been working on for going on 2 months now, and the progress has been outstanding. We're finally ready to start showing it off, and what this bot does is it provides all of the analysis for the stocks, short exempts, and short interest that we track as metrics for finding short squeeze plays. This is all coded so that it fits against my um, short exempt squeeze signal theory thesis, which was developed several months ago, which also predicted the squeezes of AMC, SENS, SPRT, Progenity, and BBIG. And then for the future, although we have just these two currently in the works, we do plan to create some additional bots and analytics tools, which we guarantee all professionals will have access to in the future. These may be made accessible to the rest of the Discord at our discretion, but professionals will be guaranteed access to premium bots for the future. In addition, professionals will be entitled to my own personal charts that I develop and don't necessarily make public through the Discord or on Twitter. So they'll have live access to any of the charts that I create, and also have a professionals chat channel for professionals that just want to have a closed door conversation between themselves and the analysts, where they'll be able to ask questions, speak to me directly, and also receive prioritized attention from myself during live streams and events. That covers all of the tiers and the benefits, but what does that actually translate to in the Discord? When you first jump into the Discord as a trader, this is what you will be greeted with as soon as you jump in. We first have our welcome page. The first things that we recommend everybody to take a look at first are the rules page, to make sure that everybody is understanding exactly what the rules are, and also if you are not necessarily joined or you are looking to join, remember that this Discord is open to the public. However, you won't have access to all the channels until you select a tier through our Patreon page. So those instructions are contained here in the How to Join channel. The trading floor is the main area where almost all of our members are constantly chattering back and forth, discussing any number of different types of trades, investment strategies and stocks that we're all watching, talking about what sort of strategies we are going in and out of, day trades, swing trades, long investments, and so forth. We also provide a long list of channels that everybody can use to discuss certain types of DD, break things down into threads by stock ticker, and discuss things like crypto, options, and exchange due diligence through unusual whales or Ortex and uh, any number of different types of sources. In addition, we track all of our diamond plays, as we call them. Any long plays that we are absolutely convicted of for the long term goes here, as well as our swing trades section. This is going away and being moved into the swing trades. This is the swing trades main section, where we break down all of our swing trades into temporary threads that go away after a certain period of inactivity. In addition, we have the stock school, or Scholomance as some of us call it. The This is the place where everybody exchanges information and resources to learn about investing, market hacking tips, and how to learn options and even taxes. More content will be created in the future, but for now, this is what we have. And then finally, the break room, where everybody just comes to hang out, talk about nothing in particular, throw in a few hilarious gifs, and just shoot the shit. I mentioned some of the watch lists. This is what those look like. This is our Tiblio bot, which is given to us courtesy of the Tiblio team, which is an options picker service. This is typically a paid for service, but because of our partnership through Tiblio, they've offered us this Discord bot, which publishes all of the daily top plays and lets us know what kind of options activity is showing itself in the market, and gives us and our members a quick glimpse into the value that they provide to their members. And if you are looking to join Tiblio, you can click the link through our affiliation partnership link, and you can get yourself a 20% discount on your first month. We also make sure to watch Unusual Whales. We have Progenity, Adam Aaron, the man himself, and plenty of other influencers that publish videos on the regular. For all members, if you are curious about absolutely anything else, we have a very well written What the Fact section, which is it details all of our affiliate links, all of the structure of the Discord, and we keep this very up to date as often as we possibly can, so that everybody can quickly get up to speed and familiar with the Discord and the layout. For the veterans, the biggest benefit that we offer is access to the analyst floor. This is a private section of the Discord which is read only for all members except for the analysts, and this is just a place for the analysts to exchange ideas and talk about their due diligence as they are doing their research and looking through different types of stock plays. Each member has, as you can see, their own personal channel where they issue their DD and perform their personal research, as well as optionally they may create sub threads which keep all of their due diligence isolated to very specific tickers. As I mentioned, the veterans have access to our film studio. This is the section where everybody throws their questions and just random chatter when we're doing live streams and filmed videos for the Discord and the YouTube channel. Any member who is a veteran and above is free to start chattering in here and throw me some questions while we're on live stream. We will often join this voice chat in the film studio here, where everybody can listen to me live and watch my recording without the lag from YouTube and interact with me directly. And I do prioritize my Discord over YouTube live stream, so just be aware of that. And then finally, for the professional tier, some of the benefits that we show include our team viewer alerts, which includes all of our live alerts whenever something happens, when we break trend lines or we start establishing technical patterns. All these alerts from TradingView are sent directly here to this section. In addition, we have a special channel reserved exclusively for professionals where they can chat back and forth and ask questions directly from the analysts. This is the ScourgeBot channel, where our ScourgeBot is used for inspecting certain types of analysis. It's a bot that's currently still in development, but we're quite proud of the work that we've done here. So professional members who are looking to target a short squeeze can very quickly and easily get access to all of the short exempt data through this bot, and perform some analysis to look for opportunities for short squeezes. This is one that we're talking about quite a lot. Just as an example, right now it's currently January the 26th, and we've been watching BBIG for a while. So all of this data is relevant to our squeeze that we've been targeting on them for the last couple of weeks. Just as an additional sneak peek of some of the things that we're going to be making available to certain tiers of the Discord, most likely professionals, the NFT watch lists that we're creating for those that are interested in investing in NFTs or tracking NFT trades and seeing what profits can be made there. We are building some bots courtesy of Fundamentally Dave. Um, this is just currently development ground just to test most of this stuff, but figured that everybody might like a look at it just to see the kind of stuff that we're working on here. For those members of the Discord who are already subscribed, I will ask that you hold off on upgrading if you want to upgrade to get access to more of these benefits until after the first. The reason why is because Patreon has a very strange payment structure where they will charge you the full amount starting on the first of the month. So, in order to get you the most value, what I recommend is wait until you receive your first charge for your current membership beginning on the first, and then after that, go ahead, sign up, take your upgrade, and that first payment that you made at the beginning of the month, whether you're a if you're a trader and pays $3, then that $3 will count towards your upgrade to veteran, so you'll only pay an additional $7. Or if you're a veteran and you pay $10 a month, then that $10 that you pay will count towards your upgrade to professional, and you only pay $40. So just keep that in mind. So if you are a member, just wait until after the first and you see your first charge. Then go ahead and proceed with your upgrade. We'll add in the changes to the benefits after that so that nobody's missing out on anything. So that pretty much concludes the tour for Hell's Trading Floor. Um, if anybody has any questions as they file in and add their memberships here, make sure to check out the What the Facts section, but feel free to message any of the executives, the managers, or the goons who serve as our mods and security here at Hell's Trading Floor. Um, we're constantly working to add new changes and new features in order to increase the value for everybody here that's a member at Hell's Trading Floor for all tiers. Um, and we're a very welcoming community. So thank you very much for considering joining. We look forward to seeing you on the trading floor.